Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can create a bootable Windows 10 USB pen drive on Ubuntu machine. So this is mainly for Linux users who have a machine, or if you only have a Linux machine and you want to create a Windows 10 bootable pen drive. So the first thing is to install WoUSB. This is the software WoUSB that we need to install. I have already installed in my system. I will just show you the steps that you can use, and I will copy it in the description of my video, and you can then install WoUSB. The first thing is to add one repository. This is the repository that needs to be added, and you can find this repository and all the commands in the description of the video below. And then you just install this sudo apt-get install WoUSB the usual way. So these two will set up WoUSB on Ubuntu machine. First step is to add the repository and then install WoUSB. I have already done it in my system, so I'm not going to repeat the steps here. And once you have done that, I will show you I have already downloaded the Windows ISO. So this is the Windows ISO file that I downloaded from internet. This is for 64-bit machine. If you are having a 32-bit Windows machine, you need to download the Windows 10 for your machine, 32-bit machine. So after downloading the correct image, use your pen drive, or insert your pen drive in your Ubuntu machine. I have inserted the pen drive, and this is my pen drive. Check the pen drive how it is recognized on your Ubuntu machine. For my machine, it is being shown as SDB. So SDB is the way by which my machine recognizes the pen drive. It can be SDA for you, so make sure what is it on your machine, how Ubuntu machine recognizes it. And then you need to run WoUSB command, and this will start creating the Windows bootable disk. So this is the command, and you have to run it as a privileged user. That's why I'm using root. And the target file system is NTFS, so the pen drive has to be NTFS formatted. You can format the pen drive in as NTFS, and then just mention the ISO path, and this is the pen drive path /dev/sdb. So let's see. So it is showing that my pen drive is mounted. So let me check. So yes, it is. I can see that my pen drive is mounted here /dev/sdb2. So WoUSB wants it in unmounted state. That's why I'm going to unmount it now. sdb1, and then /dev/sdb2, and I will run the command once again. So now it has started creating the bootable disk. After this installation gets over, it will take a while, and then it will create a bootable Windows 10 pen drive. You can use this pen drive on your Windows machine. The only thing that you need to make sure while using it on Windows machine is your BIOS setting. In your BIOS setting, you have to change the boot order, and you enter in your BIOS settings of the Windows, and then select USB as the highest priority. So once you select USB as your highest priority for booting, then when you are going to reboot your Windows machine, the bootable USB disk will be recognized, and then the usual Windows installation instruction will pop up, and then you can simply install it. So that's all. It is. It will create the disk. These are the steps, and since it's going to take some time, that will be all for the video. Thank you.